Let's do it. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'll be showing you a best friends card trick. Let's perform. Now check this out. I'll start off by giving the deck a quick shuffle. And then we'll also give it a couple of cuts. Alright, so as I dribble through the deck, we'll have a spectator call out stop. Let's just say they say stop here. So now we'll take a look and remember this card. And boom, just dribble those cards on top. Then we'll give it a few more cuts. And now we'll have a second card selected. So let's just say, oh no, we stopped there at the same place. We'll try again. So we stop right here. And we have that card selected as well. So we have the 9 of hearts and we have the 2 of hearts, right? There we go. And now this is where the magic happens. So we had 2 cards selected at random. And now if we just take a look at where those 2 cards are, we have a 9 of hearts and we have a 2 of hearts. Now this trick is called best friends for a reason, because the 2 red 9s are next to each other and the 2 red 2s are next to each other as well. And that's all there is to it. Perfect for anyone to learn and perform in less than 2 minutes. Now if you guys want early access to the tutorial to watch it right now, you can go check out CardMechanic. Link to that is in the description below. And if you want to wait 24 hours, you can do that as well. So in the meantime, go and check out that video because it is awesome. I'll see you there. Peace out.